What is that new toy?
It's from Toy Kingdom. Oh, it looks like we have a new customer. Oh, he's cute. This is a full pack. That has a 1 trillion bucks.
You just earned 1 trillion.
Yes. He gave me 1 trillion bucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, someone is there then? There's a car wash. Okay.
And somebody's fixing yuck.
Oh my goodness, there's a repair.
Yes. And
So
look,
there
big, it's Christmas.
Oh, it's Christmas, so you
And
got
I have a gift.
Christmas tree here.
Yes.
All right. Okay, and then can you
There's
show
gonna
me
be
how
a-
it becomes a truck?
truck.
Yeah.
Okay, because I see one up
You show me.
I
You
see
show me how it becomes a truck.
Okay.
You pack up and become a truck. So
Okay.
the users will know how it looks like.
But that's it scrubs like a real one. So clean look.
Oh, so clean na. Nice. Oh, he should also pay. How much did you earn for the car wash?
Everyone is gonna have 1 trillion bucks, but mommy, 1 peso lang.
Oh my goodness.
No, kiss and a hug.
If I rent, if I go for your fuel, how much do I pay?
Hug and a kiss. Everything hug and a kiss.
Oh, for mommy.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Oh, now they're going because you're closing. Okay, let me see how you close.
First this,
Oh my goodness, that hides it there.
and then this you remove this and put this in here,
Okay,
and then
you can close it now.
first let me test. This is working. This is another cord grip.
Okay.
And now you what's happening? Oh, we need to take this off. Put them in here.
Okay.
Everyone is watching.
Okay. And then close it na. You're closing na. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Move this up a little and lock this.
Okay.
Go.
It's okay.
The Christmas tree. And now it's the oil tanker over there, which can push the car.
It's an oil tanker now. Wow. That is so cool. It's called the Tomica World Transform Tank Truck Gas Station. That's so nice. Bye.
I gotta fix the green thing. Green thing. Bye bye. Green thing over here. I can see the inside.
Bye.
Bye and wait.